I just filmed a full intro that was awesome to this video, and my camera decided to not record it. So hopefully we're recording now, but what I wanted to say was today it's just another snowy day in Calgary, but it's a little bit different because today is the first car show of the 2017 show season. So we're gonna go check out World of Wheels today down at the BMO Center, which is in downtown Calgary. And this is the first World of Wheels of the 2017 season. I think there's like 6 or 7 more stops. This show is gonna be more of like a domestics, classics with a bit of imports. So it'll be a little bit different, but I'm gonna do like full vlogging, full like cinematic event coverage and everything. This episode is gonna be more of a vlog with like a few cinematic shots, and then tomorrow I'll be going back to the show to do my full like event coverage and everything. So first off, we're gonna go look for Curtis Cooper's S15 that he recently rewrapped, and it's pretty crazy. We're here now in Hall B of the BMO Center, and I've been walking around a little bit trying to kind of get my bearings and everything. First car show since SEMA, so just trying to get back into the zone right now. It's a lot of classics, and I mean, I was expecting that, but like it's a lot of really cool classics that you like wouldn't expect, kind of like this, like and there's a lot of like stanced out classics too, so it's kind of different to see. One of the main trends that I'm also noticing that's going to make it a little bit hard to do an actual like video coverage of this place, and hard for anybody who wants to take photos too, is all these like stanchions and ropes in the way. It's kind of a little bit overkill, if you ask me. I don't know, I would rather just see cars out in the open like this. But I guess you also don't want kids and stuff going and touching all these insane classic cars. So a few of you guys are gonna know about this car because I've done a feature of it before. I'll throw in the clips now. But it's completely different now. Curtis just recently rewrapped it, and it's gonna blow your mind. Hopefully that's actually coming out in the video because that car is like beyond sparkly. All right, let's go check out some more stuff. Actually, I'm gonna throw in a montage now. Cool things being here is seeing cars that we also saw at SEMA. I've seen a truck so far, and then this thing is also at SEMA. Alright guys, so I decided to head out because I kind of saw more or less everything. Well, I did see everything. It's actually a relatively small show, but the amount of talent there is like really impressive. But I have another shoot later tonight, so I wanted to kind of save my full event coverage for tomorrow because I'm coming, well, actually it'll be currently while you're watching this when I will be shooting the event coverage, but I'm going to be there with Chan, so you guys should come down right now / the next day, which is Sunday, and check out what's going on here, because it's kind of cool to see a indoor car show in the dead of winter in Calgary. So I'm going to make my way back to the Legacy, and you guys are going to see an event coverage coming from this relatively soon. Thanks for watching. Pizza.